Welcome back. Today we're going to go through the bent over barbell row. This exercise is great for strengthening your back muscles, but not only those, but also your spine. This challenges your spine by forcing you to maintain a neutral spine while there's a load out in front of you trying to pull you forward. So it's really great for the entire back side of the body. Starting with the setup, you do have a few different options in regards to your grip width and stance. You could do about just outside of a shoulder width overhand grip, more of a shoulder width overhand grip, or you could even do an underhand grip where you're going to be working a bit more biceps. Before you pick up the barbell, you should have a flat back. So you're basically going to be getting ready to deadlift the weight up. After you've deadlifted the weight up with a flat back, you're going to hinge forward into an RDL position. If you do not know how to do that, refer to our RDL video that's in the description below. After you've hinged forward with a neutral spine and your torso is kind of facing the floor, you're going to maintain that position from the start of the exercise all the way through the end. The movement should start with the shoulders, so you should be focusing on squeezing the shoulder blades together in the back every time you perform a rep. The point of the movement is to work the muscles in your back, not just to move from point A to point B. So focus on squeezing the shoulder blades and finishing the movement with your elbows. I like to give the cue, think about squeezing between the shoulder blades. So if there was a pencil on your spine, you're thinking about pinching that pencil between your shoulder blades. A couple common mistakes in this movement are swinging the weight up. Being a bro and swinging that weight up, we want to avoid doing this. Another mistake is picking the barbell up with a rounded spine and just hoisting that weight towards the body. You're not really stimulating your back muscles the best way when you do that. Another mistake is letting your torso creep upright when you're performing the movement. So as you get more fatigued, your chest is almost facing the wall in front of you. So you're almost standing up all the way during that movement. So do try to avoid swinging like a bro and control the movement, keeping your torso down the entire time. That is the bent over row. Like the video, subscribe to the page, and let me know what you want to see next, because we're on a content creation spree because my wife is more ambitious than any person I know right now. She loves doing this stuff and she keeps pushing me to do more. So let me know what you want to see in the comments below. We'll get it done. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Smash it! Smash it! Come on, smash it!